Good afternoon, children. Please take out your workbook, part 1.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you take out your workbook, part 1. Today, we will be discussing few exercises from module 2, page number 14. 1-4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this exam, should we have book exercises?
No, no, no. Only those 2 chapters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
David Copperfield and Happy Prince. Only those 2 chapters you have to learn. But in the coming exams, these exercises will be there in the coming exams. Okay. So children, the first exercise given in your workbook module 2 is sentence dictation. That means I will be dictating few sentences for you and you have to listen to it carefully and you have to write down. Okay. This is not a test paper. I'll not put any marks for you. No need to worry. Okay. Just to see how you write a sentence after listening to it. Okay. Yes. Yes, Aditi, looking so pretty today. All right. So first sentence. All of you be in muted mode. Children, I know that you behave very well in the class.
Ma'am, what do I have to take?
Take out your
Pencil?
workbook. Yes, with pencil. Of course, with pencil. I have already told you and I always tell you. Okay. Page number 14. Open the page, module 2. First sentence for you. Listen carefully in between. Do not ask ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. I'll be repeating one sentence 3 times. Okay, no need to worry. 3 times I'll repeat. The only thing is that you have to listen carefully. So by the time you will be able to finish it off. First sentence. All of you ready? Just give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Yes, good, very good. First sentence.
I just joined now.
Thank you so much for joining late, Siddhi Lidil. Welcome to the class. Siddhi. Okay. Agreed. Excuses accepted. You just listen to me. I have already given the instructions. Instructions is already given. Now I have to repeat for you only. Siddhi, come on, keep your headset fast.
Ma'am, page number 14.
Yes, 1-4. Once again, I'm repeating, just don't waste my time, okay? We are doing exercises from module 2, workbook, part 1, page number 14. I hope all of you are ready with the page. Yes.
Yes,
ma'am. No need to unmute, okay? No need to unmute until we complete all the 5 sentences, all right? Yes. First sentence, we express, write down. The first line, write down. We express our gratitude. We express our gratitude to teachers. We express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day. On Teachers' Day. I repeat, we express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day. Once again, I'm repeating, we express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day. Hope you all have completed the first sentence. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good, very good. Well done, children. Moving on to the second sentence. The precious necklace. The precious necklace was stolen, was stolen, was stolen at night. I repeat, the precious necklace, the precious necklace was stolen at night. Repeating third time, the precious necklace was stolen at night. Very good, very good. Well done, children. Okay, moving on to third sentence. Everyone, everyone, everyone lived, everyone lived in harmony, in harmony, in harmony until the war, until the war. Repeating second time, everyone lived in harmony until the war. Repeating the third time, everyone lived in harmony until the war. Okay, good, very good. Hope you all have completed. Moving on to the fourth sentence, fourth one. The conflict between, if you are doubtful regarding the spelling of the words, just leave it. Okay, no need to worry at all. We will discuss after some time. The conflict between the two nations, the two nations
Yes,
was
ma'am.
resolved, was resolved. The conflict between two nations was resolved. Yes, Aditi?
Ma'am, it's me, Felix.
Was. Conflict. We are referring to conflict. That is why, not to nations.
Can say again?
Quiet. Felix? Or
Ma'am, I just had a network issue.
okay. You just listen. Okay, no need to write. You just listen now. Fourth sentence repeating. The conflict between the two nations was resolved. The conflict between the two nations was resolved. And the last sentence, the last one. Hope you all have completed all the four sentences. Yes. Good. Very good. Yes. Risa, Avantika, Aditi, Nainika. Okay. Good. Parvati, Sarah. Okay. Hridvi, Tanvi, Janvi. Very good. Very good. Dia, Mayuk. Okay. Good. Joanne. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes.
Can you read the third sentence?
Wait. After completing all the 5 sentences, I'll read it once again for you. Okay. Fifth one. The fight spoiled the unity in the family. The unity in the family. The fight spoiled the unity in the family. The fight spoiled the unity in the family. Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm going to repeat all the sentences from the beginning to the end. Okay, listen carefully. Just check whether you have written all the words properly. First one, we express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day. Done? Yes. Second, the precious necklace was stolen at night. Good. Third one. Everyone lived in harmony until the war. Okay, all right. Fourth, the conflict between the two nations was resolved. All right. And the last one, the fight spoiled the unity in the family. Have you all completed? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, children. Now we are going to discuss.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you say the first one?
We express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day.
Ma'am, the first one.
Okay, now I don't want you to call me in between. Okay, if you have missed out, it's okay. But we will have a discussion. Okay, those who have not completed, you can copy down into your book. Those who have already completed, just have a look whether you.
Power failure.
Okay, good. The power failure. Yes, hoarding, keep quiet. Quiet.
Can anyone say the fourth sentence?
The fourth one is the precious necklace was stolen at night. Resolved.
Ma'am told that we should not
The
say the
conflict
questions to
what
each
is
other. Ma'am told we should not
Keep
do
quiet.
that in other class.
Not only that, Manav, not only that. It's recording. Stop recording.
Dev, can you mute everyone?
Recording.
Yes, yes. Okay, all right. First sentence. Children,
Ma'am, we can't see the board.
okay, one second. I'll share it. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Dia, give me the spelling of express.
EXPRESS.
Very good. We express. Sarah, give me the spelling of gratitude.
GRATITUDE.
Very good. Gratitude. We express our gratitude to teachers. Mayuk, just tell me whether you need an apostrophe for this word, teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
Where you have to put apostrophe?
Ma'am, after teachers.
After teachers. Do you all agree with that?
No.
No?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
No need of apostrophe. No need of apostrophe for first one. Teachers, that is plural. Okay. So if you have written an apostrophe, just make the change. We express our gratitude to teachers. We express our gratitude to teachers. No need of apostrophe. On Teachers' Day. Niranjan, do we need an apostrophe here? On Teachers' Day? Confused. Yes or no? Say it loudly. Yes. Where you have to put? Where you have to put the apostrophe? After R. After R. Or you can say before yes. Okay. Teachers' Day. We express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day. So in the second one, you have to put an apostrophe. Teacher, after R, put an apostrophe and then yes. Aditi, was it correct for you? Yes. Okay, good. Next sentence. The precious necklace was stolen at night. Glenn, what is the spelling of precious?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the spelling of precious?
PRECIOUS. CIUS.
CIUS.
Ma'am.
Glenn. What is the spelling? PRE?
PRECIOS.
CIOUS.
US.
OUS.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Okay, the precious. PRECIOUS. Janvi Prabhu, what is the spelling of necklace?
NECKLACE.
Yeah, correct. Very good. The precious necklace. Necklace spelling NECKLACE. The precious necklace was stolen. Adidev, what is the spelling of stolen?
Ma'am, STOLTEN.
STOLEN. Stolen at night. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Third sentence. Srihari. Give me the spelling
Ma'am.
of the word Srihari.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the spelling of the word harmony. Everyone lived in harmony. What is the spelling of harmony?
Ma'am, is it HARMONY?
You're asking me? Are you doubtful?
Yes, a bit.
Okay, bit doubtful, but it is correct. Okay, harmony. The spelling is
Yeah.
correct. HARMONY. Everyone lived in harmony until the war. Until the war. 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 Then the fourth one, Navaneet Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the spelling of conflict?
CONFLICTE.
CTE. Then it is wrong. E is not there. Okay.
Okay,
Isn't it,
ma'am.
Aditi?
Ma'am, may I ask a doubt? Sir?
Aditi, is the spelling correct? CONFLICT. Aditi is not able to.
Ma'am, may I ask a doubt?
Aditi, are you saying something? 1 second, Risa. I'm not able to hear Aditi properly.
There is no E in the last.
Yes. There is no E. There is no E for the word conflict. CONFLICT. That's all. Okay. You can mute Aditi. Risa, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, is harmony a place?
No, my dear, harmony is not a place. Harmony means you are living, it's a situation where you have peace and happiness. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Harmony, harmonious world, peaceful and happy world is said to be a harmonious world. Okay? Harmony is not a place, it is a situation.
I
Understood?
thought people gone to harmony, something like
No,
that.
no, my dear.
Can
no,
I
my
ask
dear.
a doubt?
But
Thank
very
you,
good.
ma'am.
You have asked, you have cleared your doubt. Good, very good.
Ma'am, can I ask a
Manjuma,
doubt?
yes, Manjuma.
Ma'am, what does mean a conflict?
Yes, conflict means problem. Problem. Okay, conflict. The conflict between the two nations. There was a problem between two countries and it was resolved. The problem was sorted out. No more problem is there. Understood, Manjima?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. The conflict means problem or difference in opinion. Anything can mean by that word. Depending upon the context, the meaning changes. The conflict between the two nations was resolved. Resolved. Who will give me the spelling? Manjima, give me the spelling of resolved.
Ma'am, RESOLVED.
Okay, good. Children, I have a request. When you are asked to spell the word, you have to be quick. Okay? Do not, do not drag yourself just like KG kids. R-E-S. You can say it off quickly. RESOLVED. Resolved. That's it. Okay. All right. One more sentence is there. Fifth one. The last sentence. I hope all of you are correcting. If you have written it wrongly, then you have to correct it. Okay. If your answers are correct, then it's fine. Fifth one. Rudra. What is the spelling of fight, Rudra?
F-I-G-H-T.
Yes, F-I-G-H-T. Okay. Next one. Joanne Paulson. What is the spelling of spoiled? Spoiled.
Ma'am,
Spoiled. Spelling of spoiled.
S-P-O-I-L-D.
I-L-E-D. Okay, spoiled. S-P-O-I-L-E-D. Spoiled.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. The fight spoiled the unity. Unity in the family. Yes, you and I. Team. Okay. So I'll show you the board. If you haven't completed, complete it fast. Okay, first sentence. We express our gratitude to teachers on Teachers' Day. Second sentence, the precious necklace was stolen at night.
And can show the last one.
Third one, everyone lived in harmony until the war. Then the fourth one, the conflict between the two nations was resolved. And the fifth one, the fight spoiled the unity in the family. Have you all completed? Yes, Tanvi.
No, ma'am.
Tanvi is very much ready. Yes, very good. Complete it fast. We have one more exercise to do today.
Okay.
Okay. The next exercise that we are going to do is vocabulary.
What is the meaning of unity?
Unity. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who asked me that question?
Ma'am, Aditi.
Siddhi. Siddhi, was it your doubt? Aditi.
Aditi.
Okay. Unity means it's a situation when people live together without any difference in the opinion. Okay. At your home, father, mother, your brother, and you. Four are they. You are living in unity means in whatever you do it with full mind, full heart, and there is no difference in opinion. Okay. You live in unity. Togetherness. Okay. Togetherness. No difference in opinion. So when it comes to class 5A, all of you are united. That means if a task is given, you do it together. Okay, that's what you mean by unity. Understood? All right. Next exercise is vocabulary, prefix. We are going to learn about prefix today. Have you heard this word prefix? What is a prefix?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Manas.
It means at the beginning of a word.
Quiet.
Beginning.
Quiet. Manas. Where is Manas? Manas, tell me. Prefix.
Ma'am, some letters added in front of a word.
Okay, very good. A letter or a group of words. Okay. A letter or group of words added in front of a word to make it a new one or the opposite. That is known as prefix. So the word P-R-E, the word pre means before. Okay. So fixing a letter before a word. Fixing a letter before a word is known as prefix. Okay. So, for example, possible. We are fixing the letter I-M. I-M is added to the word possible.
Possible.
It becomes impossible. Impossible. Okay. Then, can you give me any other word, not from the text, other than that? In the text, it is
Ma'am,
given. Also.
suitable, unsuitable.
Okay. Suitable, unsuitable. Then,
Behave, misbehave. Like, dislike.
very good. Wait.
Ma'am,
Let me write it.
likely, unlikely. Likely, unlikely. Ma'am, likely, unlikely.
All of you, please do not shout together. How can I hear you if you shout together? Likely, unlikely.
Agreed sentence.
Yes,
Srihari.
dislike.
Ma'am, unconscious, unconscious. Ma'am, conscious, unconscious.
Hari. Srihari.
All right, very good. So you all know what is a prefix. I understood. Okay, I understood that.
Unconscious.
You have understood it clearly. So do one thing. Take page number 16, 16. Take
Ma'am.
page number 16.
May I ask a
Quickly
doubt?
complete that exercise. Quickly complete that exercise 2.1. Okay, few examples. UNINIMDISMIS or RE. That prefixes are given. Tanvi, page number 16. Turn the page. Next page. 2.1. 2.1. Do it quickly. Risa, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, in the dash should be already
Risa,
the answer.
Tanvi, Mariam, why you haven't muted?
May I ask a doubt?
Yes.
Ma'am, so prefix means adding adding a word and making that word negative.
Adding letters. Okay. Adding letters to a word. It can form opposite of that word or a new word. Okay. It can have a negative meaning or it can have another meaning.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So do it fast, all of you. Just give me a thumbs up. No need to unmute and say that finish, finish, finish. Just give me a thumbs up. I can see you on the screen. Yes, Haira Fatima completed. Devarsh completed. Good, very good. Do it fast. Only 1 more minute is left. It should be meaningful, okay? You cannot pick out any of the prefix and you cannot make a word. It should be meaningful. When you add a prefix to a word, either it becomes the opposite of that word or a new word is formed. Risa, did you get me? Okay, either you will form an opposite word or a new word is formed. All right, so let's discuss quickly. How many of you are there to complete?
I'm Sarah.
Sarah, not completed?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, can you read the sixth word?
Sixth word is disciplined. Disciplined. Okay. First one proper. Second one lead. Third one respect. Fourth play. Fifth suitable and sixth discipline. Okay. All of you, please be in muted mode. I'm going to give you the answers. If you have written it correctly, just put a tick. Okay. If your answer is correct, just put a tick with pencil. First one, improper. 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 Second word, when we add the prefix, the word becomes mislead. MISLEAD. Then the third one, respect, when we add the prefix, it becomes disrespect. DISRESPECT. Fourth one, play. When we add a prefix, it becomes replay or it can become display also. Both are correct. If you have written replay or display, both are correct, but it's not the opposite. It's not the opposite of the word play. Then the fifth one, suitable. When it is added prefix, it becomes unsuitable. UN, unsuitable. It becomes opposite of suitable. And the last one, disciplined. When you add the prefix, it becomes indisciplined. IN, indisciplined. And it's the opposite of that word, disciplined. Okay? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Ma'am, can you repeat the third one?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
those who were not able to complete, I'll just send it in the WhatsApp. Okay? It's time for us to wind up. I'll be
Okay,
sending you
ma'am.
the answers. Also, try and do the next exercise as homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Two
ma'am.
point two as
Listen, listen and do.
Okay, ma'am.
2.2. Thank you.
Bye.